everyone po. Good evening. Okay lang ba Tagalog?
Okay lang.
Kahit hindi ako Bisaya pero gamay lang. Hindi lang marunong. Hindi ako ready pero may notes ako. Ginawa ko lang ito kanina, nasa biyahe ako. So, anyways, palakpakan muna natin yung newlywed. Congratulations everyone. Congrats bro and Kala. Okay. Good evening. I'm honored to be standing here as the best man today. I've known Derek and Crystal for a long time, and I can honestly say that this lovely couple is one of the best people I've ever met. They're kind, funny, and always there for their friends. So, kilala ko na si Crystal 2012 pa. So, way back, like 1 decade na. So, nagkatrabaho ko.
That says the age.
30 na ako, 30 na. So, ito yung, siguro pang tatlong wedding ko to na nag-best man ako. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako ikakasal. Naubos na sila.
Pang best man pala rin.
So, nagkakilala kami ni Crystal sa Metro Manila, sa Metro Walk. Yeah. Metro Walk, ano siya, host. Tapos ako, OJT ako before. And then, siya yung unang, kung naalala ko is, pag may tip siya, sinishare niya. Bigyan niya sa amin. Malakas kumita ng pera to dati.
Ay, totoo ba, Peng?
Totoo. And kahit medyo malayo kami, and then, yung friendship is nandun pa rin. So, kamustahan lang. Alam ni Derek yan. Like, English not good. So, mamaya siguro pati alak na. So, ayun, siguro sobrang tagal na pero nasa Manila ako and then pag umuwi siya ng Manila, i-chat niya ako and then for sure magkikita kami mga tropa. And then, napadpad ako dito sa Cebu, siya ang una akong pinuntahan. And then, yun, magkakilala na nga sila. And then, the first time we met, we drink a lot of liquors, beers, everywhere. And then, so doon ako gumagaling mag-English. So, dito na ako, nag-work ako dito pero hindi ako mag-stay ng matagal. So, I decided to extend para sa wedding nila. Then, nandun ako nung nagtapat sila na preggy na si Crystal. So, bro, I got eyes on you. Okay. She's a big sister for me kasi yung second name niya is Nina, that's my ate. So, he's a big brother to me. Then, pag may time, so kita-kita. Pero sobrang busy. So, ayun. Cut the story short. Kinasal na sila. Ako hindi pa. So, Derek and Crystal, I want to say how happy I am for the both of you. You guys truly meant to be together. And I'm grateful to have witnessed your love story unfold. I won't keep you all for too long, but I do want to raise a toast to the happy couple. Here's to a lifetime, a love and a laughter, happiness, and congratulations.
Raise your glasses, everyone. Toast for the... Toast for the newlywed.
Shakulo. Let's go!
Puno! Mabuhay!
Kiss mo, kiss mo!
Me and Crystal, we met in our workplace in 2019, and Crystal was like a mix of like a big sister and a friend and like a mom, kind of, because like she was there when I had my first heartbreak. And like she listened to me, and yeah, even after that we were not workmates anymore. We still stayed in touch, and had drinks, and Derek saw me drunk also. And then like I'm so happy to finally see you happy with Derek, and I just want to thank you and the both of you for like being good friends to me, and I just wish you and your total family, a happy marriage. That's all. Love you, Dad.
Right. Oh, send it a kiss.
Again?
Again, yes.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Sharon.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Sana all may afam.